Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It is here, and it is rapidly changing the world as we know it. From smart homes to intelligent personal assistants, AI is becoming an indispensable part of modern society. This is especially true for the global economy. The integration of AI is reshaping industries, driving innovation, and creating new economic paradigms. AI is poised to make a significant contribution to the global economy, with projections estimating trillions of dollars in added value. This growth is not just theoretical, it is already happening. This technological revolution is creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. Entrepreneurs and businesses are leveraging AI to innovate and disrupt traditional markets. Those who understand its potential and adapt quickly will be the ones to reap the most significant rewards. The key is to stay informed and be proactive in embracing AI technologies. This is not just about big corporations and tech giants. AI is democratizing opportunities, making it possible for smaller players to compete on a global scale. AI is also empowering individuals, entrepreneurs, and small businesses to achieve financial success like never before. The barriers to entry are lower and the potential for growth is immense. This essay will explore how AI is transforming various industries and provide a roadmap for individuals to harness its power for wealth creation in this exciting new era. We will delve into real-world examples and success stories. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the AI Billionaire Blueprint. The future is now, and the possibilities are endless. AI possesses unique capabilities that set it apart from traditional technologies. One of its most significant advantages is scalability. AI algorithms can be deployed across vast datasets and processes, automating tasks that would take humans countless hours to complete. This scalability translates to increased efficiency and productivity, leading to substantial cost savings and revenue generation. Another key characteristic is its predictive power. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, enabling businesses to make highly accurate predictions about future market behavior, customer preferences, and more. This foresight gives businesses a competitive edge, allowing them to anticipate changes and make strategic decisions. Finally, AI excels at hyper-automation. Repetitive and rule-based tasks can be completely automated by AI. This frees up human capital for more creative and strategic initiatives. The transformative power of AI is evident in the success stories of countless entrepreneurs and businesses worldwide. From small startups to global giants, AI has become a cornerstone of modern innovation and growth. Take, for instance, the story of a young entrepreneur who developed an AI-powered language learning app. This app was designed to make learning new languages more accessible and engaging for users around the world. Using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, the app personalizes language lessons based on the user's learning pace and style. This customization ensures that each user has a unique and effective learning experience. The app's scalability and effectiveness quickly gained popularity, propelling the entrepreneur to financial success and revolutionizing the language learning industry. It became a prime example of how AI can drive both innovation and economic growth. On a larger scale, global giants like Amazon and Google have leveraged AI to achieve unprecedented growth and profitability. These companies have integrated AI into their core operations to enhance efficiency and customer experience. Amazon's recommendation engine, powered by AI, analyzes customer data to suggest products, driving sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. This AI-driven approach has been a key factor in Amazon's retail dominance. Similarly, Google's search algorithms use AI to deliver highly relevant search results, solidifying its dominance in the search market. The continuous improvement of these algorithms ensures that users find the most pertinent information quickly. These examples highlight how AI is not just a tool for innovation, but a fundamental driver of economic success in the digital age. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on businesses and economies will only grow stronger. The financial industry has always been at the forefront of technological adoption, and AI is no exception. From Wall Street to Main Street, the integration of artificial intelligence is transforming how investments are managed and executed. AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze market data in real time, identifying profitable trading opportunities that traditional methods might miss. These algorithms are capable of processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. These algorithms can execute trades with speed and precision, maximizing returns and minimizing risks for investors. The efficiency and accuracy of AI-driven trading systems are reshaping the competitive landscape of the financial markets. The rise of robo-advisors, powered by AI, has made sophisticated investment strategies accessible to retail investors. These platforms democratize access to high-level financial planning, which was once the domain of the wealthy. These platforms use algorithms to create and manage personalized investment portfolios based on an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. This level of customization ensures that each investor's unique needs are met. Moreover, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions, assess creditworthiness, and automate customer service in the finance sector. This enhances security and efficiency, providing a safer environment for financial activities. Platforms like Upstocks and Zerodha in India are making AI-powered trading tools available to everyday investors, allowing them to benefit from the power of AI in their investment journeys. This accessibility is leveling the playing field for individual investors. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the financial world, empowering both institutional and individual investors. The future of investing is being reshaped by AI, promising a more efficient and inclusive financial ecosystem. The media and content creation landscape is undergoing a significant transformation thanks to AI. AI-powered tools are now capable of generating high-quality written, visual, and audio content, automating tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human creators. For instance, AI-powered writing assistants can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even entire articles, freeing up content creators to focus on strategy and creativity. AI-generated art and music are also gaining traction, with platforms like DALL E2 and Jukebox creating stunning visuals and captivating melodies. This opens up new avenues for monetizing creativity, as individuals can now leverage AI to produce and sell unique content at scale. Imagine creating an entire music album using AI or generating a series of AI-powered art pieces. The possibilities are limitless. Real estate, a traditionally slow-moving industry, is also experiencing the transformative impact of AI. AI-powered predictive analytics are revolutionizing how property investments are made. By analyzing vast datasets of property prices, market trends, and economic indicators, AI algorithms can predict future property values with remarkable accuracy. This allows investors to make more informed decisions, identifying undervalued properties, and maximizing their return on investment. Moreover, AI-powered platforms are streamlining the property search process, connecting buyers with their ideal properties, and automating tasks like property valuation and paperwork. Companies like Zillow and Redfin are at the forefront of this AI-driven transformation, empowering both buyers and sellers in the real estate market. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, the demand for AI-powered solutions is skyrocketing. This has led to the emergence of a new breed of entrepreneurs, those building automation agencies. These agencies specialize in developing and deploying custom AI solutions for businesses across various industries. From automating customer service with AI-powered chatbots to optimizing marketing campaigns with AI-driven analytics, these agencies are helping businesses of all sizes harness the power of AI. The profitability of automation agencies lies in their ability to deliver tangible results. By automating tasks, improving efficiency, and driving revenue growth, these agencies are proving their value proposition in a competitive market. As the AI revolution continues, the demand for their services is only expected to grow, making it a lucrative field for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. While the economic benefits of AI are undeniable, it is essential to acknowledge the potential disruptions it may bring. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. As AI automates tasks previously performed by humans, certain job roles may become obsolete. This underscores the need for workforce reskilling and upskilling initiatives to prepare individuals for the jobs of the future. However, it is crucial to remember that AI is not about replacing humans, but about augmenting human capabilities. AI can free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and problem-solving. This shift in the job market will create new opportunities for those who can adapt and acquire in-demand skills in AI development, data science, and AI-related fields. The AI revolution presents a unique opportunity for individuals to take control of their financial future and create lasting wealth. One promising avenue is AI arbitrage. This involves identifying price discrepancies in products or services across different markets, and leveraging AI-powered tools to capitalize on these inefficiencies. Another strategy is to build and monetize AI-powered digital assets. This could include developing and selling AI-powered software, creating and selling online courses, teaching AI skills, or building and monetizing AI-powered content platforms. The key is to identify a niche, leverage your skills and interests, and harness the power of AI to create value in the digital marketplace. The potential for wealth creation in the AI era is vast, limited only by our imagination and willingness to embrace this transformative technology.